Good morning, everybody. I, Tapasar Gupta. Today, I am going to start the chapter Hanuman and I of English literature. Today, we will do the last scene, that is the scene 4. The name of the drama is Hanuman and I. The curtain rises. Sita and Hanuman are talking in Ashok Vatika. The curtain rises. Sita and Hanuman are talking in Ashok Vatika. Where is Ashok Vatika? Ashok Vatika is the place where Sita has been kept as a captive. Sita, who are you? आप कौन हो? Rupa, I am Lord Rama. I am Lord Rama's servant. Mother, I have come to help you. I am the servant of Lord Rama. I have come here to help you. Sita, how can I trust you? Now Sita is asking, how can I trust you? मैं आप पर कैसे विश्वास कर सकता हूँ कि आप ही उनके सेवक हैं? Rupa, this ring is Lord Rama's. The ring which I brought is of Lord Rama. He had asked me to give this to you. He had asked me to give this ring to you. Sita, oh yes, my Lord Rama's ring. Yes, this is obviously Lord Rama's ring, my husband's ring. She hides her face in her hands and begins to weep. She hides her face in her hands and begins to weep. Teacher, prompting, speaking from back on the stage. Speak your dialogue now, speak. Speak out your dialogue. My beauty is my bane. My beauty is my bane. What is bane? Bane is curse. The two words. One word is boon. Boon is blessing. Bane is curse, Avishap. My beauty is my bane. Rupa, thinking that it was her turn to speak, repeat the dialogue. Now Rupa, she thought that this dialogue was meant for her. Rupa, speaking gently. My beauty is my bane. My beauty is my curse. It is because of beauty that wicked Ravana wants to marry me. It is because of my beauty that this Ravana, he wants to marry me. Sita, what? Startled. Sita is surprised. Not you, you idiot, not you idiot, duffer, bekoof. He wants to marry me. I am Sita and I am beautiful. I am Sita, I am beautiful, it is not you. Seeing the startled expression, Rupa realized her mistake. Now Rupa realized her mistake, that this dialogue is not meant for her. Rupa, oh I mean your beauty is your bane. Rupa now says, oh I mean that your beauty is your curse. Your beauty has been a curse for you. Ravana enters. Chorus, welcome Maharaja. Maharaja is coming. Ravana the greatest here. Here the Ravana, the greatest here. A huge figure with a shining sword in hand enters. A giant figure with a huge sword enters. Shining sword enters. Ravana, who is this funny creature who dares to intrude into my kingdom? Who is this small creature who has dared to enter into my kingdom? Who has dared to enter into my kingdom without taking pass, without taking permission? Teacher, prompting, speak. I am the son of Pavandev, the wind god. Now see, the teacher prompting from back, you say, I am the son of Pavandev, the wind god. I am the son of Pavandev, the wind god, the worshipper of Rama, the worshipper of Lord Rama, the immortal Hanuman. Immortal means you cannot die. Okay. Rupa stands dumb and looks above Ravana, who is towering over her. Rupa now stands dumb. She is thunderstruck and she is not able to speak words. She is tongue-tied. Dumb is tongue-tied, unable to speak anything. Ravana, in a thundering voice, who is this small creature? Who is this small creature? Raises his shining hand sword to attack Hanuman. He raises his shining sword to attack Hanuman. Rupa screams in terror. Terror is great fear. Screams. Started howling, shouting, screaming. No, no, I am not Hanuman. No, no, I am not Hanuman. Don't kill me, don't kill me. Putting her mask off, she pulls her mask off. I am not Hanuman. See, I am Rupa, I am not Alka. I am not Rupa. Sorry, I am Rupa, I am not Alka. The audience rolls with laughter. The audience bursts into laughter. And an inferior is angry, red hot with anger. Inferior teacher comes on stage and drags Rupa off the stage. The teacher was very angry Okay, she comes and pulls, drags Rupa. This is the end of the drama. So now discuss some question answer. We will do today question page 49. B. Read the extract from the play given below and answer the question as follows. I wish I could get Rama's role. I don't think the teacher will give you Rama's role. Identify the two speakers. Who are the two speakers? The two speakers are Alka and Rupa. The two speakers are Alka and Rupa. Why won't the speaker get Rama's role? The speaker in line 1 could not get Rama's role because her voice is squeaky. Okay, her voice is not proper, her voice is hoarse, shrill, you can say, and she is shorter than Radhika. Which role does the teacher assign to the speaker? The teacher assigned the role of one of the monkeys in the Banasena Rama. Now, second step. You wanted to be Hanuman, don't you? Do you think you can manage? Who is the speaker? The teacher is the speaker. Whom is the speaker talking to? The speaker is talking to Rupa. Why does she ask the listener to be Hanuman? She asked the listener to be Hanuman because Alka, who was supposed to play the role of Hanuman, has got results and has been running high temperature. Is the listener able to manage the role properly? No. No, she was not able to manage. No, she is not able to manage the role properly. And Kurt said sorry. So, your children, this is the homework of tomorrow. You do both this extract, write in the homework copy. That's what you do. Thank you.